maybe you came from work, school, I don't even know. But me, I just wake up. Yeah, I had to sleep. Guys, I did have my ketchup. And now my stomach is beep, beep, beep. And you hear it behind my air fryer. Guys, my God. Oh, right? I'm smelling it. Actually, let's break because I'm smelling some chicken. So before sleeping, I actually already associated. I don't even know how to say that in English, okay? But I associated. I don't know if you say that, but you know, you put all your ingredients. So when I wake up, it's not like a big deal because I'm so tired. So it's already in an air fryer because I'm still missing a lot of stuff for cooking. Because I don't know if you know, but I love cooking. I do love cooking. But yeah, let's check this chicken before you burn because I don't want to burn. Like I said, I got my ninja. The first time. You know, ninja is my thing. But yeah, let me break this because I don't want to burn it. We're gonna double check the chicken. Oh yeah, it's smelling good. It's good. Okay, I feel like it's ready already. Let me bring you close so you can see a little bit of. Okay, wait. I had to change the side, so the light is better. Whatever, it recharged the light. This light is always dead, like. But yeah, so I showed you guys already the chicken. Now I'm gonna probably put some salad with it. So I already, like I said, make the salads, but it was already made. Like I had the salad, but like whatever. So I'm gonna add some cucumber inside. So it's I like to bake the club size family superstore, $14, and it comes with all the stuff. So you don't need to buy like each. I'm a weird. So I don't eat that much. But you guys can see the salad is almost done. I mean, you know, because I really trying to eat a little bit more healthy. I tried. Oh, cook some rice. I have some plantain as well. It's getting dark. I don't know if you guys know, but I love when the plantain is like dark, so it's soft and everything. But I don't have good materials for cooking. Like I need my cooking stuff. I need to buy it. So I'm gonna use this. I know this is still like plate pan, whatever, something like that. You need to put the water first. I'm still not good using this one, so I hate it. So we're gonna put a little bit here with some coconut oil. You guys should try it. It's really good. And then we're gonna air fry it, so it's gonna be a little bit softer. I have a rice cooker, so I show it so much, mommy. I know, but yes, your girl loves rice. Okay, I know with this gym thing they say don't eat a lot of rice, but I'm a rice girl. Okay, I need my rice. I need my rice on everything. So this week deadline, as I don't work a lot this week. So I need to get a rice cooker. So today we're gonna use this, okay, for making rice. And I'm used to like do it for a lot of people, but now we're just gonna have this to do. We need a measurement because without measurement, I'm gonna make too much rice, and yeah, I can keep it for tomorrow, but whatever. I don't like rice from next day. But long story short, I use this rice too. It's a quick rice. I don't use this most of the time. Actually, I'm not gonna lie. I like jasmine rice or brown rice. Brown rice. Did you burn? Alright? Brown rice. Stop blah 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 because I feel like I don't know how to talk and then do all this thing. I'm gonna burn my food and I don't like that. So let's go cook again. Come this way. Who told me to film and cook at the same time? It's actually tough. People who do that, you guys are professional. I was like, damn, I don't want to burn my stuff. I was already talking too much and I felt like I was about to burn my chicken, but not. It looked good. And I just wanted to say, my God, I'm done. It looks so good, but it's so much. Like, who said I'm going to finish all this? No way. But I'm going to keep it for tomorrow, though. But look at this. It looked cute. It looked good. It looked good, but it tastes good. You see the light how it closed? There was the light. What do you mean? Let me turn the I have to change side because this light playing with me, but I like this side too. But baby, the makimba, okay, they call that makimba. The plantain is 10 out of 10. The salads, yeah, we're still standing because we don't have a table, like. But I have like small like plastic chairs. Get your girl to cook for you. Let me try the chicken. No, it's still inside. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean, Frankie? What do you mean? What do you mean? Now I'm gonna try a little bit of the coconut rice. You know, it's good to cook. You know, when you cook, you don't need to eat outside. Good morning. What's up? You guys have to try that. Coconut rice. Mwah. I put it like just a little bit. Sometimes I put a little bit of salt because now there's no salt. Because I was like, there's other stuff where there's salt, so I don't like salt like that, guys. And then when you mix it with the salads together, you doing some Chef Ramsay. So I'm gonna eat because the time is flying. I'm going to work soon, but please try at home. Let me know how you like it. And I'm super proud of me, but it's too much. Like, I would never finish all this. But thank you. Bon appetit.